Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit The Wolf Among Us. Wir waren gerade dabei, die Tieren auszugeben. Wir haben also rausgefunden gestern, wer die Person war, die Frau, die ermordet wo ist. Wir haben rausgefunden, wer ihr Mann ist. Und da sind wir jetzt eigentlich auf dem Weg, ihn zu befrohen oder zu gucken, was Sache ist bei ihm. Haben aber gerade einen Anruf gekriegt vom Froschmann, vom Toad. Eigentlich ist es Kröterich. Jetzt weiß ich ehrlich gesagt gar nicht, wo wir jetzt zuerst hingehen. Vielleicht leitet sie auf dem Weg. Ich gehe mal ausgucken. Die da, hä? Oh, voll der Gentleman, guck. Da freut sie sich. So.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see him.
Well, maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help, too.
Well, where to first?
Big shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things.
You think he did it? What's her husband's name?
Also, wo gehen wir zuerst hin? Ah, guck mal, oh, ich habe jetzt Zeit zum Überlegen. Gehen wir zuerst in Toads Wohnung? Oder zum Ehemann von der Faith, die gerade umgebracht worden ist? Das ist... Ich muss zuerst zu Lawrence.
What's her husband's name?
Ja, aber auf der anderen Seite...
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
Ich weiß halt
You
nicht,
think he
ob
did it?
bei ihm...
What's her husband's name?
Hopp, komm. Machen wir es einfach so. Wir haben dem Toad sein Auto kaputt gemacht.
We can check in on
Er hat noch was gut bei uns, ne?
Okay. I'm not looking forward to breaking the news to him anyway.
Das Apartment des
And we
Holzfällers,
ended
South
up going out
Bronx.
the window, and I landed on Toad's car.
You guys made a real mess.
Yeah, looks worse in the day.
Ist das eigentlich Dragon Force Plakat, oder?
Is somebody up there?
Irgendein Typ, ein Mensch. Oder menschlich. Ja, vielleicht nicht unbedingt auf die Stroß warte, sondern auf dem Rand stellen. Krass, was sieht's denn hier aus?
Shit.
Zu spät. Irgendein Typ. Breite Schulter mit einer Batschkap. Servus. Bei dir auch niemand? Nee. Okay, dann komm hoch.
I'm sorry!
That's enough, all right? Just shut it!
Schluchz.
I don't even remember half of this shit.
Okay, wir gucken uns ein bisschen um, so generell.
Alan doesn't make this much of a mess.
Was leider auf der Zettel? Kann ich nicht angucken. Ich gehe mal da lieber aus dem Fenster rausgucke. Schon irgendwie. Großes Loch in der Wand. Yep. Da sind wir drauf gelandet. Ich will gerne die Fotos da angucken. Ah. Hier war doch aber noch eine Tür irgendwie so. Ja, komm, hopp. Hinaus. Boah, geil. Das Dreirädel, das ist cool. Sorry. Ja, dass er nicht gerade freundlichster Vater ist zu seinen Kindern, das wissen wir.
Is that his son?
Ja.
Toad's? I think.
Be nice in there, okay?
Hey, Toad. You in there? Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for
Wieso
my
stellt er sich
bother?
so vor seinen Sohn? Ja, weil er arge Glimmer hat, das wissen wir.
Sorry, Bigby.
It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked. Nothing but a leaky drain pipe. Imagination must have got the best of me. So, you know, false alarm. Sorry for dragging Miss White into this.
There was someone, but they took off when we got here.
Is that right? I guess your dad's ears have a year or two left. Haven't gone totally to the dogs, eh?
Are you all right?
He's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than walker, just like his dad.
Wanna...
So, I guess you'll be taking off now. No need to hang around here
So
anymore.
will er uns unbedingt raus,
I
Han.
mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for nothing.
I'll leave when I'm ready, Toad. I just want to check things out first. The longer you talk, the longer this takes, so just stand over there and shut
All
up.
right, all right.
Ja, eigentlich wollte man ja
I just
freundlich
don't
sein, ne?
wanna waste
Aber
your time is all. Have a seat. Have a cup of tea. Whatever you like.
Phew. Grown-ups. Am I right? Hey, you know what? Flycatcher said you had a pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing.
Yeah, sure thing.
die Tür sieht aus, als wäre sie schon mal aufgedreht worden. Das habe ich aber all gesehen.
Lock's busted.
Yep.
Eh?
The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door.
Oh, for Christ's sakes, the fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building.
Kann er sich vielleicht weniger verdächtig verhalten?
And the lamp's broke, too.
Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off a table.
Uh-huh. The lamp just fell off the table.
Vielleicht war es so ein...
This place is like living on a foundation of termites, it is. All so cheap it's a wonder it stays standing as long as it does.
Die Stecker? Moment, ich glaube, ich weiß, was gemeint ist. Wenn die Tür vom Tisch gefallen ist, wie kann das sein, dass dort 2 Stecker in der Steckdose sind? Also die Steckdose ist voll belädt, dann hätte sie drauf gestanden und wäre eine ingesteckt gewesen. Warum wäre dann eine Lampe da gewesen? Ich gucke mich mal noch ein bisschen um. Kollege, komm mal her. Ich gucke mich erst mal ein bisschen um, dann rede ich mit ihr. Ja, mal gucken, wie er so wohnt. Bin ich irgendwo Wohnung... Oh, was ist denn das? Mhm. Blut, ja?
Bleeding?
Why? Is that...
It's blood. Still fresh.
Oh, well, I cut me hand. Ran around like a tit trying to pick out a wrap. Must have got some on the furnishments. Lamp in pieces, blood on the wall. It's awful, I know.
Sounds painful.
Oi, don't you go mother-henning now. The wound didn't sit very long, you know. Perks of being a fable, I
Ja,
suppose.
Also,
And a frog.
er hat aber die Linkshand immer in der Tasche. Ne, mit der rechts fuchtelt er also ein bisschen rum. Was gibt's so auszugucken? Ah, das sind irgendwelche Kratzspuren oder was da unten? Was ist da?
What is it now? If it's blood, you know what happened.
No, there's marks here on the windowsill. And what's that about?
No real reason. Just last night, when I'd come out, I was in a downright tizzy, mate, as you would be. And I plumb forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window.
Really?
Scared Junior off to death. You heard the new Shakin' Stevens album yet?
Was labert der für eine Scheiße?
If you're gonna say something, out with it.
You don't have spares? Separate key under the mat or something?
In this neighborhood? Are you off your rocker? If it ain't changed
Ah,
to the
okay,
bill, the mangy rats will take it away as soon as they catch a starlit twinkle.
Hat er einen Punkt. Blut? Hat er vorne Tragegriff oder was? Mit der blutigen Hand. Wieso?
And
Was
what happened here?
ist dann hier passiert,
Okay,
genau?
what of it?
There's more blood on the tip. Did this happen before or after you came in the window?
After. I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit. Sliced up in my foot like a seashell. Looked like a shit ugly thing. Okay, Sheriff, now what?
It's been the hottest summer in years, Toad, so why would you be making a fire?
Stay in this place for more than a spell and a drowse will make you think you're in a sodding tundra. I look it odd, so what's the fuss?
Thought toads can dry out?
No, mate, you're thinking of lizards. Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened. Why don't you believe me? I mean, things happen, you know.
I think maybe you're hiding something.
Hiding something?
Maybe. But, to tell you the truth, I don't know yet.
Nee,
You're
ich,
lying about something.
But I'm
And
not.
you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Hat das jetzt bedeutet, dass er sich versucht hat, also dass er sich rausgeredet hat, dass man, wenn man zu lang, also die so lang drumherum redet tut, dass es dann irgendwie... So, ich hab doch da oben noch irgendwo was gesehen. Ah ne, ich konnte mit ihm reden, ne?
Never
So.
been good with the feminine duties. Homebody stuff with my clumsy hands.
Hände nicht verletzt, sagt die Wahrheit, Toad. Sieh dich weiter um.
Look,
Ich bin
you want
freundlich.
me out of here? I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on?
Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
Hast du gekifft oder was?
I know
Was ist
something's
los?
off here, Toad. And I know you know I can't leave until I find out why. So can we please just skip to the end of the page before I have to get mean?
I don't know what you want, Bigby. There's nothing going on. There's just nothing to tell. Look around the room and see for yourself. Everything has its explanation, you'll see.
Honestly, Toad, I don't know if I will. And I don't know if I've got the patience to reverse engineer whatever scheme this is.
Me boy's in the other room, Bigby. Come on now. We're friends, right? I mean, I called you here.
Ich soll freundlich sein. Oh Mann, warum habe ich ihr zugesagt, dass ich freundlich bin? Ich würde nur einfach so gehen. Ja, guck mal, ich war da noch gar nicht drin. Ah, das ist der... auf dem Kind oder
most
was,
people
gell?
think they are.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really. He was really upset, though, earlier. He won't say why. Something's going on.
Stay with the kid until I figure out what.
Okay. So, hier waren wir schon. Ich glaube, ich muss halt wirklich... Dann bin ich halt einfach nicht mehr freundlich. Bin nur der große böse Wolf und nicht der kleine freundliche Wolf, ne? Also, da ist Blut an der Wand. Ruf kann ich nichts gucken. Radkappe hat er an der Wand. Hat er aus, was ist ein Millemer? Spinnt? Ne. Ah. Ey. Hab ich ja alles. Mir bleibt nichts anderes übrig. Oh, 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 oh. Moment. Da war was. Auf dem Tisch. Da.
That more blood?
No, just a clean space in the dust.
Wie wenn du eine Lampe gestanden hätt.
Something?
Eine Lampe zum Beispiel.
Maybe one of Junior's toys or something. I mean, who knows?
Und eine Steckdose ist auch noch frei.
Bloody hell, Bigby. What sinister bit have you uncovered this time? I left the tap water running? Didn't stop the recycling? What's the point of all this, mate? Really?
That broken lamp used to be here, right? Just tell me what happened.
Nothing happened, mate. Nothing! And why did the lamp have to be there, of all the blooming pointless inquiries? It's my own place. Don't you think I'll know what happens in it?
Because it wasn't on that table, Toad. There isn't any room in the electric outlets.
Huh? What are
It
you...
was plugged in over here, and now it's there.
I did some refiguring. Who fucking cares?
And to not plug it in? Come on, Toad.
I just hadn't gotten around to it yet. You see how many damn plugs there are? Bigby, come on. I'm begging for mercy over here, old boy. I was looking forward to a nice afternoon. Just me and me son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this sniffing around at me private belongings. I'm sorry I called, really I am. But will you please, please,
Er will
just
uns
bugger
unbedingt
off.
raushauen. Irgendwas schüchtert
Not yet.
deutlich mehr ihn
So,
als
to
mir.
my face. You think I'm hiding something from you? Well, you've had to go out of the room for a fair bit of time now. Nothing's here. So when? When are you gonna leave? I mean, I feel like I'm on trial here. In my own bloody home. It's not seemly.
When? When you start telling me the truth, Toad.
But I've told you the truth, mate. Jesus Christ, what more do you want?
Toad, these
Wieso-
stories
Wieso
have
guckt
made
er immer
no
wieder
sense.
raus? Ist der andere noch da?
Didn't
Hört er
forget your
das?
keys. You want to tell me what's going on?
She doesn't think much of me, I don't think.
Oh, I wouldn't necessarily say that. Progress?
Zu früh.
Mr. Toad,
Was?
you're bleeding.
Hat er ihn zum Schürhage übergeredet?
Take off the hat.
It was that butcher, a Tweedle, Dumody. You gotta strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. He come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know. He tore up the place, beat me up when I said I didn't have it. I tried to go out the window, but he pulled me back in. It's been a hard morning, I can tell you that.
What did you tell him?
Nothing. There's nothing he wanted to know, except if I had this thing that he wanted.
Ja, was wollte dann
I
Han?
would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did.
Aber
But he
warum
said
hast
if
du
word of this ever got back to him, if he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy. I even tried to give the bastard a coat. He wouldn't take it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows.
I don't steal nothing. Turn around here would astonish you, mate. I merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat now. If she has next of kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur.
Das war Pelz. Oh, es war nicht der Eselspelz, oder? Stickelt ihm. Das ist der Eselspelz. Das ist so hübsch, ist
No,
der
I
aber
wouldn't
nicht.
wear it outside.
Oha. Mit
Wait,
Zettel dran.
it's an envelope.
Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence. Do you want to try and give it to him, or...?
Doesn't seem right opening another man's mail. Let's try and give it to him.
Okay.
Ich bin
Well, it's been
freundlicher
quite a
Wolf.
surprising day for all of us, hasn't it? I'd see you out, but I'm afraid of dripping any more blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
TJ, Toad Jr. Ach komm. Vielleicht ist es auch nicht so Arschlochvater.
Does it always go that smoothly?
Not often.
So, the prince is now?
Lawrence's.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's our best lead.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
Lawrence's apartment, South Bronx. Früher Morgen.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay?
Mhm.
Just humor me.
We're here to question Lawrence. Bump him up on the suspect list or cross him off entirely.
Okay.
What is it?
I just don't think he did it.
In cases like these, isn't it usually the husband?
For Mundy's, maybe. But this is different.
Mal hingucken. Erstmal Leid ins Fenster gucken, ne? Das ist wichtig. Hallöchen. Oh. Ich habe so das Gefühl, dass mit der Befragung, schönes Auto übrigens, wird ein bisschen kürzeres werden. Ui. Alter Schwede.
Don't just peep into someone's house. Check if he's home.
Ja, er ist daheim. Aber...
Can you hear me?
Naja, kann er nicht. Top, nimm den mit. Okay. Der leidet doch schon länger. Aber irgendjemand muss noch vom Stuhl runtergerobbt haben. Weil vorhin der Spichel hat man nämlich definitiv gezeigt, dass das Messer gelegt hat und da neben seine Schuhe gestanden haben. Beide. Also er hat dort drin gesessen. Irgendwas stimmt doch nicht. Hopp, ich guck mal nochmal.
Oh my God.
Er lebt noch.
Go get Dr. Swinehart. I'll stay with him.
No! No. Let me go.
Nee, ist er nicht.
What is it that you're telling us?
Was hat er?
Bigby,
Wasser?
water,
Achso,
kitchen.
alles klar. Ist das so die Küche? Scheinbar nicht. Das sieht mir schon eher nur Küche aus. Wasser. Soll ich ein Wasser holen? Ja, der hat Wasser gesagt. Ich hätte Eis gesagt. Wie? Ah, okay, ich habe Glas. Was ist denn das da für ein Zettel? L. Pay the rent next week. Pizza in the
Did you find it
fridge.
yet?
Please. Pizza in the fridge. Please don't look for me. Goodbye. Ja, ich komm. Ja.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Who did this to you?
Faith.
Okay. War das jetzt die Antwort auf die Frage oder war das das Letzte, was er denken musste?
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
Okay, jetzt können wir eine wohl aufmachen, ja.
Should
Mach
I
mir deine
open it?
blöde Fernseher aus. Der nervt.
I'm not sure if it's right.
You should. There might be something that helps us. A clue. Or a lead.
I need to know.
What does it say?
I'm sorry. Faith. It's only 2 words.
Was zur
I
Hölle?
died without seeing them. I'm sorry too. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Okay, sie scheint wohl schon länger weg zu sein und der kriegt's nicht in den Griff. Also hat's nicht. Was hat er in der Hand? Was ist das Glimmer? Pillen.
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
Patronenhülse und eine Knarre.
That doesn't really help.
Was sagst du?
What is it?
This gun wasn't
Schwarzpulver.
fired recently. Maybe a week ago. Or more.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger.
Andere Patronen. Leere Patronen. Das ist
Matches
selber.
the caliber of the gun on the floor.
Hab ich das jetzt A aufgenommen? Pistole. Okay, ihr Leid, ich sah es nicht gehen, aber ich glaube, mir müsse. Was ist das da eben? Ich komme gleich zum Dolch. Ich habe eine Kammer schlecht über sie. Da hat irgendwas gestanden.
Strange. Hard edge to this pool, like something was here and got moved.
Irgendwas mit einer Eck. Erst muss mir sagen, gucken. Ja, noch 5 Mal drüber gelaufen, genau.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp, and there's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him? Ich würde gern die Wunde angucken, die er hat. Falls das geht. Nee, geht nicht. Wie steht dann da runter? Kommt doch nicht hier. Okay. Ich gebe mal das Einschussloch oder was das ist. Gucke da hin.
Bullet passed through the chair. Yeah. The angle works if he shot himself.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this.
Ach. So, ich will da hin. Wenn er sich wirklich selbst erschossen hätte und das die Kuchel ist, wie kommt da über Blut hin? Kann schon nicht hingehen. Okay. Weiter umgucken. Erstmal alles umgucken.
paperbacks. Old encyclopedias.
Was dann zum Beispiel?
Dusty. No one's read these in a while.
Guck mal in die Küche vielleicht? Omo. Oh. Wasserhahn. Essfach. Ich war überall schon. So, ich guck mal den Fleck da nochmal an, wenn ich ihn finde. So, Iwe. Den kann ich nämlich berühren und dann muss man den hier berühren und dann die Finger aneinander reiben. Ganz wichtig. Guck.
Still a little sticky.
Ja, ich meine, okay, es hat ja in dem Fall durchaus Sinn, um rauszufinden, ob es klebrig ist. Ey, das ist das Bett, oder? Das ist kein Schrank, da ist ein Bett hinten dran. Das ist so ein Klappbett oder so. Was ich beim Aufmachen? Okay, das... Ja, stimmt mit dem Blutfleck überein.
What is that?
Was hat da gerade gestanden? My deepest faith, I never meant to hurt you, but I cannot endure knowing... Ich will das... Komm, ich nehme mit, vielleicht lässt er vor.
It stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Hopefully they're together now.
Er hat immer noch einen Brief in der Hand.
Not all we can hope for at this point.
Also es wäre möglich, dass er es getan hat. Das war halt der Abschied, also dass er so umgebrungen hat. Und dann sich selbst. Junge, ich will an deinen Brief. Gib mir den Brief, komm. Was ist mit dir? Er ist ein Bischer. Habe ich schon geguckt. Was? Schrank. Was haben wir hier drin? Ah! Hier ist das, ne, bin ich verschrocken.
Stay here!
No!
Okay.
Hey! Stop!
Das war der Knispel, der oben drin war. Au! Oh, das ist aber nicht geil mit dir. Lass das. Hör auf mit dem Kack. Ah, sorry. Ah. Er hat die Tür zugemacht und da wackelt's noch. Also, hin damit. Wo ist er? Bleib da. Stinkbock. Ey. Alter, geht's noch? Kann dann der so krass hupsen, ey? Junge! Der kann besser hupsen wie mir. Und der Eierkopf da. Haha, einfach mal ausgehupst, jawohl. Alter. Treffer versenkt. Achso, nee, der hat's. Hopp jetzt.
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here.
You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why did you run?
Aber ja, so viel zu rare. Wie was?
Why did you run?
Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
Ja,
The man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Bullshit. You're covered in blood.
Look, I was just asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know?
Shit.
Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man. You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the Trip Trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too.
Who's your employer?
I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on. You're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Oh, don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you
No, I'm D. He's dumb.
You almost looked peaceful.
danke.
to... Yep.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep.
Yep. Where'd they go?
Well, after the one guy hit you, and the other one finished kicking you,
That explains the ribs.
then they jumped into a car and drove off. Come on, get up. Guess we're out of options.
Dee mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab. Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right. Bigby? Be honest with me. Who do you think did this? I know it's still early, but
Alter.
I just feel a step behind.
Die. Holzfäller. Was ist denn mehr?
It's an uncomfortable
Blaubart,
feeling.
Zuhälter. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wer es ist. Das sah ich nix fertig.
I can't tell if you don't know or just won't say.
Was war das gerade?
Thanks
I
for
wish there
you.
was...
Ach, jetzt aber komm.
Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's nothing. I just... Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
You're doing your best. It's all anyone can do.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time.
You'll fix it.
Ja,
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away. Now things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
You should stick it out. There are fables that would give up a lot to be in the position
Nee.
you're in, and I think it's easier to change something from the inside.
ja.
You're telling me change comes from within.
Sure.
Not the advice I imagined hearing from you.
Ja, aber
I'm full of surprises.
wenigstens ist sie dann da, wo man weiß, wann sie auch weggeht, dann ist der Ichabod allein und macht dann, was er will,
Maybe you
quasi.
should handle this one.
Vielleicht ist es gar nicht so schlecht, wenn da jemand drin ist, wo ein bisschen Aufne hat, also so. Und wenn es nur ist, um zu gucken, was er
Ja, schön.
vertreibt, halt.
Bigby,
Pass auf dich auf, sagt sie jetzt. Ich bin gut, ne?
just be careful. Please.
The same goes for you.
I will.
Die Chip Trap Bar, die Bronx. I am the Eggman, oder was hat er mal gerade gestanden? Ey, den kenne ich.
What do you want, Sheriff?
Die nicht. Oh, Freunde, gehe ich
I
und
was
so.
in the neighborhood. Thought I'd pop in and say hello.
Well, fucking hello. Now you can get the fuck out of here.
Look, I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice, so try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks. No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Wieso guckt sie immer wieder?
Does he tell you when to close, too?
Nope. And he doesn't tell me when to tell you to fuck off.
Fuck off. So, ihr Leid. Das soll's für heute gewesen sein. Ich will da immer ein schöner Cut. Ich will mich da schön verabschieden von euch, geschätzte Zuschauer. Das macht's aber halt ein bisschen schwer, wann zwischendrin so viel Ding ist. Ich kann also nur hier Tschüss sagen. Okay, dann tun wir noch mal kurz rekapitulieren, oder wie das heißt, was wir bisher erlebt haben. Es ist immer, also ich weiß immer noch nicht, wer es war. Ich früher, glaube ich, noch. Ja, natürlich, der Holzfäller ist immer noch einer der Hauptverdächtigen. Es kann halt der Ehemann gewesen sein, der Brief, wo er geschrieben hat. Es kann halt auch Sinn, dass er sie umgebracht hat und sich dann selbst erschossen hat. Glaube ich eigentlich eher nicht, aber weiß ich nicht. Kann Sinn, wäre möglich. Was das jetzt mit, wie heißt die? Dumm und die, Dummdi, Hamdi, Damdi heißen sie, glaube ich, auf Deutsch oder sowas. Waren, glaube ich, von Alice im Wunderland. Das sind nur die Eierkepto. Was die jetzt so damit zu tun haben und warum, keine Ahnung. Wenn wir rausfinden, in der nächsten Folge. Tschüss.